Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. I know guys, I am not in my closet. I am actually in my office, in my warehouse. That is why I am mic'd up, just to reduce some of the echo sound that you might hear in the back. And you should already have your wine, already have your tea and snack on deck. You guys know the drill. So let's get straight into the handbag of the day and the outfit that I slayed. Handbag of the day is my beautiful LP Ammo BB in the color green, hardware silver. I absolutely love and adore this handbag. As you guys can see, it is hot stamped with MNG. And as far as the outfit of the day, just a white ruffle top, flower on the side. I just tied it up here in the front and converted the Ammo BB strap into a belt. And I just have on some wide leg jeans, size 6. And guys, a simple slay. But look at it. It's cute. It's different. Creative. Guys, use the straps that come with your handbags. I promise you. I promise you, the creativity is there. You guys just need to use it, okay? So let me know what you think. Okay guys, oh, let me not forget, I also had some green strap up heels. I purchased these from Fashion Nova. Very, very comfortable, guys. I know we are, we love luxury brands, but hey, Fashion Nova, this very, very comfortable, and I'm not getting paid for this, guys. I have to give credit where it's due. So these are from Fashion Nova, and these are a size 6.5, so they are true to size. Very, very comfortable. So complete outfit of the day. Okay, so guys, let's get into these questions that's been flooding my DM. Okay, this is going to be a quick video. Like I said, I am actually on my way to Austin to go teach a business class, but I need to answer these questions. Okay, the first question, no. I'm just going to start off with the answer, no. The question is, do I work for LV? I don't work for LV. I don't work, because if I work for LV, a lot of handbags and a lot of collections that have been dropping and launching lately wouldn't even exist. If I worked for LV, the packaging would look 10 times better. I would invest more money into LV. Okay. I don't work for them. Okay. I do love the brand. I love the ready to wear. I do love the handbags. I do love the shoes and some of the heels and boots. Okay. I love YSL. I just favor LV right now. I do not work for LV. Let's get that out the way, okay? Next question. How did I get the Loop GM bag so early? I told you guys the story. There's no lie. I'm not making up anything. I was in my office minding my business. My CA sent me a text message. Hello, Marquita. How are you doing? I have the Loop bag here for you. Do you want to come into the location to look at it, or do you want me to send it to you? My response when I saw the text message, I thought she was speaking on the small monogram Loop handbag. I already have that handbag. I told you guys before, I have a new CA. So I was just thinking maybe she didn't know. And so I just put a question. I said, the Loop handbag, the small Loop handbag, or the new Loop GM? She said, yes, that's correct, the Loop GM. I responded back, I thought that didn't come out until September and I didn't pre-order. She texts back, Marquita, I have the Loop GM for you. Do you want to come see it, or do you want me to send it to you? After that, I'm not gonna ask any more questions. Send that bad boy to my house. Send it to the house, okay? That was it. I did not pre-order. I am truly blessed to say she looked out for me. Even though my older CA, my last CA, she's now a team lead, so she's over that CA. I mean, they worked together and they said one bag came in and she said that they saved it for me. I am just blessed that they even thought of me, guys. And when they sent the bag and I touched the bag, I was like, wow, it is quite big. I was surprised in the video. I showed you guys. I still wasn't sure. After the video was over, I put the notebook inside. I put the toiletry 19 and I started noticing the slouch effect. That was it. I paid the $3,000. I was happy. Nobody could change my mind. I was not sending the bag back, okay? That's the true story how I received the Loop GM. I don't work for that company at all, okay? Yes, I am a VIC. I'm not even sure if they have anything to do with it, okay? And yes, this is another thing. The bag is authentic, okay? I spoke on this in my Instagram stories, okay? All of my bags in my collection are authentic. Please respect my worth, respect my hard work, respect my grind, respect my patience. I waited my turn to have the items that I have in my collection. Now, do I have anything against replica handbags? Yes and no. Okay, it goes both ways. The reason I say I don't have anything against replica handbags is because it's not my business. People can spend their money how they want to spend it. I mind the business that pays me. Them purchasing replica handbags is not hurting me. Sometimes you have to fake it till you make it. And if that's the way they want to go, hey, that's the route they can go. If they don't have the thousands of dollars to pay for it, if they want to spend $100 and $200 to pay for a replica bag, that's their business. And so when I say I have nothing against it, I have nothing against the people that buy replica handbags at all. And if your handbag is replica, you will never hear me speak on it because that's what you want. Now, I do have something against the brands that create these replica handbags because I am a business owner. I wouldn't want anyone to take my logo. I wouldn't want anyone to try to duplicate something that I created and receive income. Okay? You are taking away from my pockets at that point. But again, LV doesn't belong to me. Louis Vuitton, that is not my brand. I don't work for them. So who am I to say, hey, don't go purchase that? That's not my business. I mind the business that pays me. My company, my businesses pay me. So when I see someone, because it has happened to me before and I took legal action, that's that. So that's my business. That's the business that pays me. Louis Vuitton doesn't pay me. And replica, you see all kinds of replica handbags. You see replica shoes, and it's not just Louis Vuitton that's going through this. So when I tell you guys, my bags are authentic, this is going to be the last time I speak on it. My handbags are authentic. Replica handbags, that's not my business. So if you do purchase it, kudos to you. Spend your money how you want. Okay? Okay? Okay, so the next question. I'm guessing these are new subscribers, new followers. What do I do for a living? Guys, I am a serial entrepreneur. That's honestly my title. I'm an investor. I have now 2 franchises. I have a Buffalo Wild Wings. I have a Smoothie King. I own a shapewear company. I also own Essentials of Pure, which is a organic. I basically have detox tea, pure sweat enhancer. Everything is organic, an organic company, okay, supplier. That's what I have that as well. Extreme Fit for Men, shapewear for men. I have now Swag My Bag accessories, accessories for luxury handbags, and organizers for luxury handbags. Okay, guys. Now a YouTuber, something that I didn't even know I was going to really get into. And so a YouTuber, I guess you can say. Now I am starting to be paid from companies as an influencer. That's actually going to start next week. So I have multiple ways of making money, and I pay myself, and I save and I spend wisely. Okay, so basically an investor. Guys, a serial entrepreneur. That's all I can say. I love business. I don't want to work for anyone. I want to work for myself. Okay, so I really had to clear a lot of things up. Okay, that's it. And another thing about the Loop GM bag, I have heard so many launch dates. I heard this Friday, today, from a CA. Yes, when Foxy LV posted it, she was not lying. She was telling the truth, guys. I even have the screenshot. I have what she has. Okay, that was sent to me in a text message as well. Those dates said July 29th. It was supposed to be moved up today. If it was a typo, LV needs to, they need to say, hey, it was their fault. She did not post a lie. And so, because that CA believed it as well. So we heard today. Last week, I even heard August. September 16th. Now I'm hearing September 29th, guys. It's so many different launch dates for this Loop GM bag. It really is. Honestly, all I can tell you is keep your pre-order, keep in contact with your CA, and if you do not have a CA, I don't know what to tell you. The bag is hot. Once it hits the website, I don't even know if it's going to make it to the website. I think once it hits the website, it's going to say notify me. If you canceled your pre-order because of my first video, guys, a lot of you are coming to my DM. I told you to be patient. I did not tell you at all to cancel your pre-order. I would not tell anyone how to spend their money because I didn't even pre-order myself. I'm telling you guys now, if you can go and pay for that bag and get your pre-order in, I'm pretty sure you can, contact your CA and try to, because you are going to love this bag. A lot of you are complaining about the chain. The bag is hot. The bag is hot. So again, I do not know the date. I even called as a customer to client services. I did. They told me September 29th. And so that's the date that I think we need to concentrate on. Today, August, September 16th, all those different dates, let's just keep it September 29th. I'm not going to even speak on it anymore because I don't even know how I got my bag. Okay, that's all I can say. And I'm being honest with you guys. I'm very direct. Only thing I apologize for is even repeating what she told me. But I love to report news to you guys, and I thought it was true because it was a CA. So I'm here to say I apologize. I apologize. I don't know what's going on with this launch date. I want all of you guys that actually didn't get a chance to pre-order like I did myself to get your hands on the bag. I just can't give you a date. I do apologize. I am sorry. Okay, so I am crazy about this bag. Okay, what I wore to work was totally different. I just changed here so I can hear up and get out the door. But here she is back here. This is my best friend. And here she is again, guys, up close and personal. I do not have an issue with the chain strap, the chunky chain strap. Guys, as you fill the bag up, okay, the shape does change. If you look at the picture, guys, her bag is like this. So the chain is long enough. I just don't have enough items in. I only put my daily essentials in. I didn't add anything else. Do not put in an iPad in here. Someone asked that. No. Okay, the canvas is already bending in the middle. Hey, we are trying to keep this handbag as long as we can, so do not put an iPad in here, okay? Just your daily essentials. The bag is beautiful. Yes, it is a GM size, and I haven't heard of any other sizes, okay? And if you have, kudos to you, but I'm telling you, the GM size, you are going to want this size. I love this size. Even if I can return this, and they tell me they created an MM size, I wouldn't exchange it. The GM size is the best size, and LV knew what they were doing. If you get an MM size, guys, I'm telling you, I don't think it's going to slouch the same. But hey, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with my purchase. And once the video was over, guys, yes, I did change out the strap and put the reverse monogram strap from the Pochette Matisse on. So I am going to show you guys before I end this video. And here she is. Okay, let's just match this up. This is the reverse monogram strap from the Pochette Matisse. And let me put this on. And guys, I'm not even supposed to be here right now. My husband, I told him I was finishing up some work, and here I am doing a video for you guys. So you guys better love me, okay? You better love me, because I love you guys. Okay. So here is the reverse monogram strap. And guys, I have no issues with this chain, okay? So I love how it hangs right here. I understand you guys want it to hang like a little bit more, I guess, but I love this. And so let me see. I have this mic on. I can't really show you guys. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to have to show you my shots, but I just wanted to show you the reverse monogram strap is absolutely gorgeous on this handbag, okay? It's so pretty. I love it. So it's the same width, and so it's perfect. Okay, so guys, that's what I wanted. You know, like I said, I'm finna head out. I wasn't gonna do a video today, but I just felt like I need to answer those questions for you guys. Let's chit chat in the comments, and I hope I was very direct. And again, like I said, I apologize for that information about the release. And like I said, I'm still searching the website because I don't know. At this point, I don't know what LB has going on. But guys, let's chit chat in the comments. I wanted to get on here, like I said, and do a quick video. You guys know I love you guys, and I love the support that you guys give me, and I'm very, very appreciative of each and every last one of you. And I'm not going to change for anyone, guys. This is me all day long. I make mistakes. I am human, but I own up to any and everything that is wrong. But as stated, respect my grind, respect my worth, okay? If you don't question any other YouTubers about if their bags are authentic, don't question me. I work hard. Okay? It's boss bagging season. I love you guys. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Let me get out of here. Bye-bye.